So let me tell you one thing. If you understand me, and this is the truth about me, I'm not a person who records anybody. I've never. I send voice note for security reasons. They can be leaked. That's okay. Are you with me? And it's the word. What is leaking? What is leaking? Unoona the semantics yavamwe vacho vanonyora zvinhu vana lini unoona kuti chikoro chacho ndechehunesi chete hapana zvimwe zvinopfuura ipapo. Leaking anoita mbiri yekuti leaking inini
leaking manje mtu amakuita leaking manje arasviba zite
but inzo ukataura kuti
leaked
aiwa anochera kuti leaked unoleak chii chauno
sachanze leak
inzwaka
leaked.
Saka what would I leak? And what are you leaking about when I'm a straight jacketed izvo zvandiri kutaura zvese zvozo tora video zoti leaked Mliswa talks about this and that. I'm an open book. I don't have to what you call it. Are you with me? That's why I prefer voice when you tell them I understand and all that. I don't have time for that. Why should I lie? Zvandataura ndinorepeater kuti izvi ndakaita. But you could see that I was croning. Zvandakati my way pandakaona picture yaTagwirei achindihaga sasekuru wake kudai ndikati my way inini angu vanhu vakabhoikana vakati chakudya mari chapiwa mari. I've known Kuda for a long time. I've known a lot of businessmen who are not mentioned. I've been a consultant for them in a lot of things that they've done to be billionaires, to be rich. I've consulted a lot of, one of them who I was saying, Billy Rottenberg. For him to get Chisumbanje, it was me. For him to get Hoange Call, it was me. For him to get Todo Mind, the platinum, it was me. I was supposed to get 10% out of that as a consultant. All those assets were about $4 billion. So nika kuda 10% owns ndakuenda kunoita extortion. They understand consultancy. Indino dila nao na nemari. Iwa jaro consulta wakumana untengesa fojika mtaundi oto ozo tina o 10% yache $1 ina andi direzo ndine grade rangu randinoti i consultants ndakuita yanchaita and so forth. I was gifted nepfungwa na Mwari, and it is that and you can't take it away from me. I strategize for politicians to win. They come to me outside Zimbabwe. I will not tell you who. Confidentiality, I can't. I've made presidents win elections outside Zimbabwe. I've made MPs win elections and so forth. I've made MPs in Zimbabwe win provincial chairpersons of provinces. I've made MPs win to be members of parliament and so forth. It's a consultancy thing. Okay, I was born with that brilliance, with that intelligence. I'm a coach, I'm a strategist. So what is it that I cannot do for somebody to win? So you answer extortion, this and that. Pamushapana ndakapa vakarini ngati mbona izvi toona kuti zviganandere zvakaisa mari yapo kuti makore mangani. This has been here for what? Over 6 to 10 years. So 10 years akandipa mari kuti ndivake panapa ndiani. My children know where I get my money, how I make my money. I told you that in 2006, 2007, I made a lot of money from tobacco. I'll never tell you the amount of money I invested the money and so forth. There is a return I get from my money every month from people I invested money, which is sufficient for me to look after myself, to do well, to go on holiday and so forth. I'm not one who believes in talking about figures. Have you ever seen me showing the cars I drive? Have you ever seen me showing you where I live? I invited you to come and I allowed you to take this village. If this village does not give you a sense of understanding who I am and how comfortable I am in life, then too bad.